Welcome to the conclusion of this. Hey, how you doing there, STRC 401 First Officer?
She's dickered. She's dickered.
Looks like you got a problem up the hill there.
Yeah, she's dickered.
Got a tow truck on its way. It's not pretty, boys. Not pretty. These things will happen. All right, we got help. Good old Brian Rayner, Rayner's Garage. Can I get out of here? Beautiful, isn't it?
Roads ain't got everything snow on.
What, the main roads and that out here?
Yeah, they're pretty well wet.
That truck just ain't no good in just a little bit of snow. Disables it totally. All right. Looking good, guys.
Yeah.
Looks like we're back up on the road again. All right. I wish it was daytime. You could see a hell of a lot better.
I wish the girls would start walking up here.
All right, we're in good shape.
Of course, I suppose
Well, there he goes on his own four wheels. Pulled out by Rayner's Garage. Noble County there, huh? Yeah, on a snowy night. You can't see much, can you? Well,